Hey guys, it's me, Miss Rodriguez, and I am back with part 3 of making our scratch game, making our characters jump. So, you can see I am in the scratch page. I am logged in because I'm looking over here. I can see I'm logged in. You may have to log in again. Sometimes I know your computer recognizes you from last time, but just in case, check right here, especially when you're looking for your file. If you can't find it, it's probably because you're not logged in. Speaking of finding your file, we are going to come and find the game that you worked on last time so you're not starting all over again. And the way you do that is you come up here where it looks right next to where you can see your username. There is a little file folder. So you click on that and give it just a second to think about what it's doing. And you're going to click on the game that you chose. And if you come to this page, you are going to click See Inside, and it brings you back to the game. So the last time we were here, we worked on making a sprite and also a character that the sprite was going to jump over, as well as our background. So let's just kind of check, make sure everything's working. My character moves across the screen. I can also do the space bar to make my character jump over it. Okay. I do seem to think that this maybe not jumping up high enough. I can always go in and adjust that. So I'm going to change 15 one more time. I'm going to change it to, I'm just going to do 17 this time, and then negative 17. If yours is working fine, you don't have to change it. So I'm going to push stop, try again. Great. A little higher. Seems to be working a little better. Okay. Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want the game to recognize when I actually bump into the starfish, because then we want the game to stop. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to click on the starfish. I might push stop here just to make sure I can kind of see what I'm doing. And we are going to go to the control button, and we're going to find towards the bottom of the control button one that says stop all. Okay. I want the whole game to stop when my crab accidentally touches a starfish. So then I'm also going to look for the button that says wait until. So staying in here. And I see this one here that says wait until. And you see there's this little empty box right here. So we have to tell the program wait until what to stop. So we're going to go to the sensing button here, where you see these teal colors. And what we want to do is click this first one that says touching. Okay. When when the starfish touches the crab, I want everything to stop. So right now it says wait until touching mouse pointer. I'm going to click on that mouse pointer and I'll see that the crab is listed there. So I will change that to crab. Okay. Now when this happens, I want this to happen anytime the game starts. So I go back to event and I find that green flag. Notice for your starfish, you have two separate codes. This code right here, is running the starfish to make it move across. And this code is going to make it stop when it touches the crab. So this time I'm going to push play. I'm going to jump once, and then I'm going to see if I hit the starfish, if it stops. Okay. You can see he just hit the starfish a little bit. So that's not a good thing. Okay. But I mean, it works. So that is actually a good thing. But as part of my game, okay, I'm also noticing again, we keep having that problem of hitting the starfish. So the other thing that also sometimes happens is your crab gets stuck in the air. So to make that not happen, what we want to do is click on the crab or whichever character you are making, and I want to tell it where to start. I think I'm going to move my crab just a little over here. It seems to work better on practicing when I was moved over a little bit. And then we are going to go to our motions. And when the game starts, I want the crab to always start in this place. So I'm going to find go to X and Y. And we want it to always go there when we start the flag. Okay, so let's try it now. Oops, that was my fault. I just did not jump fast enough. Let's try again. Okay. And you can see I'm having trouble with that. I think one thing I'm going to also try doing is making my starfish a little bit smaller. Right now it's set to 50. So I'm going to go down to 40. See how that makes an adjustment to it. Oh, again, got to be fast on this game. Okay, that was better. That seems to be helping. Of course, I didn't do it fast enough, but I keep trying to work. Try it one more time. Again, got to keep working on it. And we keep making adjustments. Maybe also I want to, let's look back at it. Okay, I feel like my starfish is also a little higher up than it should be. So I might change that as well. So I will come over here and I know I started with a go-to. So I want him a little lower. And I'm going to find another go-to X and Y. And then I want it to glide to this position. So I'm going to do another glide. Let's see how that affects my game. Oops, not fast enough. Okay, that also tells me maybe my gliding is happening too fast. So where it says glide 1 second, I'm going to change it to 2. That's going to slow it down a little bit. Up. Now you got to get the timing right. And of course, if I do let it keep going, it stops like that. Okay, so just some little things that you can look at to make adjustments on your game as we're going. See you for the next part.